Yes, you little green devil. Soon it'll be a hot time in the old skull tonight. Thank you, hair machine. Now, the frog will do your bidding. He will do your every whim, your every wish. He will do your television commercial. Yes, he will sell your frog's legs.
Zapparoonie.
Head full of jelly.
A noggin full of library paper.
Let's fry them brains.
Professor Crossman, you got a fun job.
I love it. I love it. If I can inflict a little pain during the afternoon, I sleep good at night.
Oh, well, we'll let you get on with it then.
My pleasure.
Max.
Indeed, a maximum relaximum.
Oh man, I'm sneezing. You can learn allergy was also the same as this or that was poverty, born of an idiot.
No more.
Well said, Lips.
Too true.
Hey, why do you every sneezing going away?
It goodbyes.
Chew!
Bless you.
I respect the artist and the creative process.
Chew!
Bless you.
I don't know when they're going to be sneeze going away. Chew!
Bless you.
I don't know his stand. Chew!
Bless you. Now why don't you bless us with the specifics, label lady?
I think you're with a special idea. Chew!
Bless you. Who knew that we'd have so many fancy pants producers to pick from?
Make me an offer.
Oh, Kermit!
Hey.
Okay, I got him. Good. And why don't we take a little seat, Kermit? Hands down. Feedings in place. Oh, will you stop whimpering? Go out like a frog, not a little toad. Okay, hair machine, this is big time here. Ready to go to work? Hand clamps. Foot clamps. You can struggle all you want now, frog. It'll do you very little good. All right, and now it's time to drop the electronic beanie. Soon there'll be enough voltage coursing through your little frog brain to light up Cincinnati.
Oh, please, don't forget them with South torture, please.
Say goodbye to the frog, pig.
Oh, no, I gotta sneeze.
Because in 10 seconds, he won't know you from kosher bacon.
Oh, no, this sneeze is going away. Doggy! Do you know where Lady Holiday's baseball diamond is being kept?
Well, funnily enough, I do. It's at the Mallory Gallery, a virtually impregnable fortress, many miles from here.
Oh boy, I just getting great today. It isn't me being truck gonna be so great.
On foot, you'll never make it.
Oh boy, this is gonna be great.
You can read, I presume. No passengers.
Oh, didn't you make an exception for little old Manty?
Not even for little old Vood.
Pretty please.
No!
Try to be nice.
No!
Yeah! Chew!
Hey,
What's that, dear?
what's all the racket?
What are you guys doing?
A very brief cameo.
Scooter, I am bored out here.
Sorry, I cannot tell you where you've got another one.
He won't know you from kosher bacon.
Oh, no. I think it was sneeze or ballad. Joe! 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 Joe!
What the heck's going on here? A pig that goes bananas? What is this, a luau?
Where'd you go?
Oh no, I'm sneezing again now. Joe!
I must reach the switch.
Joe! Joe! Don't sing it all.
Thank you.
Ribbit. 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 Ah.
Oh, wow.
I mean it. Bless my heart.
Yeah?
You're the best.
Oh, yeah?
Nobody tells a joke as good as you. Every line, every joke, everything you say, it makes me fall down laughing.
You're a million laughs.
Let me tell you about my nearsighted cousin.
Nobody tells a joke as good as you.
Oh, but Mom, look, they're starting a whole new scene.